In today's video, I'm going to sew men top. I'm going to be using two materials for this tutorial, and I'm going to use this plain one for the sleeve. Let me see the measurement I have here. This 1 yard. This 1 yard and 18 inches. I have 1 yard and a half by 45 inches. I'm going to fold into 4. First, I fold into 2, just like this. I fold into 2. I will fold again, then I will have into 4. Full length is 35 inches. I will measure 35 inches from here. So this is 35 inches. I'm going to add 1 inch because I'm going to sew on the shoulder. So I measure 36 inches. Shoulder is 19 inches. Divide by 2 is 9.5 inches. Then I will add half inch to sew. So I have 10 inches. Placing my tape on the shoulder, I will measure from shoulder down here 10.5 inches. So I'm going to mark this way, just this way. So I'm going to cut the front neck now. Let me fold into 2. I measure 3 inches. And placing my tape up here, I will measure 3 inches. Then I will mark like this. From here, I measure from up here down 3 inches. From these 3 inches, I will measure from here down here 5 inches. I'm going to cut here. From here to 5 inches. So this is the neck. I'm going to join the shoulder. I will sew from here with the back shoulder here. I will sew here with the back shoulder to this place. I'm going to show you when I'm going to use this material to cut bias to sew on the neck. I fold into 2. I fold again to give me into 4. I have 20 inches here. This 20 inches is into 4. The measurement for the sleeve is 23 inches. I'm going to sew part of this one here. I will trim here and sew part of it here. So the measurement is 23 inches for the sleeve. This 23 inches. This 23 inches. I will add 1 inch. So I measure 24 inches. I'm going to use half inch to sew on the shoulder and half inch to sew from here and here together. So I'm going to cut just like this. Round sleeve is 11 inches. 11 divided by 2 is 5.5 inches. This is 5.5 inches plus 1 inch to sew. So I have 6.5 inches. Just like this. I'm going to cut here and here. So I'm going to sew this one here. I'm going to sew this one here, but what I will do is to sew this way. I will sew here. After sewing, it will come this way. I will do on both sides. So I'm going to cut bias now for the neckline. I've already trimmed some. For the bias, I'm going to sew now. I'm done sewing one of the sleeve, and I'm going to sew this one now. I fold this way and sew the bias for the shoulder. I'm done sewing for the shoulder, and this is the neck. So for the bias, I'm going to sew the bias from here. I'm going to start from here up to here. After doing that, I will sew the two sides before I fix the sleeve. After sewing bias on the neck, I'm going to iron, and after ironing, I will bring this way and sew on top, because this is the front up to here. After doing that, I'll sew the sleeve. I will fold into two, measure 5.5 inches, and sew straight here, just like this one. I'm done sewing the neck. I sewed the two sides. This is the armhole. Sew the two sides. I hem the down part and leave here open about 2.5 inches here and 2.5 inches here. So I'm going to sew the sleeve on it now. I'll bring out the back. Then the sleeve I will place inside like this. This is the armpit area, and this is the shoulder area. And this one, remember I notch here. I will place on the shoulder. I'm going to hold with pin. Like this. So this is how I'm going to sew. I'm going to sew round. I will do the same here. After sewing, I will show you the final sewing. I'm done sewing. This is the final look, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please subscribe and remember the notification bell. In that way, you'll be notified each time I upload a video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. If you have any question concerning this video or any of my video you have watched, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I will see you all in my next video.